Water flowing over here and just sitting. Now it's all draining. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Look at that little cut all the way through, and the water drains right to the gutter. I want to point out to you, like, look at the straight line you can get by just putting painter's tape down, following a certain line. You could mark something if you don't have one. I'm actually following this groove right here in the crack, and it's giving me that perfect line. You guys can see how nice that's going to look when I get it up. For watching how to cut cement, we're grooving out this little channel over here, and I've set my saw at exactly 3/4 of an inch right here, if you guys could see that. And by doing that, I lifted this gate up, or table, whatever you want to call it. I know how to do shit, but I don't know the names for everything. But you could see we're grooving it out, got a nice straight line going. Took a measuring tape real quick, show you guys, and I centered this tape at 5 inches. After I cleaned it with this, prepped it so it would stick somewhat, 5 inches. Make sure my saw blade would fit in there. We're gonna have a little channel for the water that's pooling up over here to run in this little L channel and get to the drain where it needs to get, because the gutters weren't put in right and they didn't get tucked under the drip edge. That's drip edge right there, and they weren't tucked under the drip edge. Slapped on top, so when the water drained down, it went up under. What we did is we reset all the gutters in here. That's fixed. Now we're gonna do this where we're cleaning it up. I'm gonna cut my channel in here. Real easy to do. Also, this diamond tip blade, you don't need a gas powered machine to cut. You can buy a blade like this at Amazon. I think I paid like, not sure if Home Depot sells them. I'm sure they do, but they fit right on your circle saw. So just showing you guys what we're doing. We're cutting that line. We're gonna cut another one on the other side, and then we're gonna probably cut one more in the middle and chisel it out about a 1/2 inch, just so we can get in there and get the water to be grooving out this way. Thanks for watching this video. Helped you learn anything? Give me a thumbs up. That's all I ask. Go fix that problem. Water's pulling up over here. No more. Going right this way and right to the drain. This is the finished product, so you guys can check it out. Looks real good. Nice straight lines. Looks clean. It's doable, you know. Instead of changing the slab, probably 10 grand to change this whole slab out, because it was not pitched right. So now we got it draining, all for about 30 bucks and a little bit of elbow grease. Obviously you need the right tools, but you guys saw what I used.